So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Boy Asim in the house again. And for today's vlogmas, okay, it's our first snowstorm of the year. Okay, it's gonna be 20 centimeter. It will be snowing the whole day. So guys, every time you drive this kind of weather, okay, make sure your fog lights or lights in your car still on, because as you can see, that guy doesn't have any lights. Okay, he's gonna be prone to accident. You know why? Because there's a possibility that they can't see his car just because of the storm. Okay, in the camera it's clear, you cannot see the storm, but in my view, okay, it's blurry because it's too much snow. Okay. So anyways guys, now you see how Canada is. Okay. Snow. Guys, may sumemplang na. So guys, it's nakagad for the first snowstorm. There's a truck stranded. Alright, see guys, stranded siya. Hindi siya makaalis. So guys, keep safe, be careful today. Magdadrive man po kayo sa snow, just keep a distance and don't forget, okay, be alert. Aray ko guys, lalo na to dito bandang to, yung truck na yan may stuck yan, sobrang dulas. Kaya ingat lang po kayo guys, kung ayaw may stock. Okay, kasi karamihan sa mga truck is rear wheel drive. Oh, madulas siya guys. Four wheel drive naman po tayo. Mag four wheel drive, mahirap na, nadudulas po ako eh. Tara na, mag four wheel drive tayo, kasi nga po madulas ang daan, mahirap na. See, meron naman po tayo doon sa malayo, truck hindi makaalis, nakahazard na naman, may towing siya doon. At hindi ko yung pupunta, hindi ako dadaan doon, shortcut na lang ako. Doon guys, oh, doon siya. Ayun, may stuck yung truck. Hindi na sila makakadaan, tawang hinala. Oh, yun, truck na naman. Stuck na naman. So guys, 2-0 naman po tayo. Oh, see, semplang ako. Madulas talaga, sobra. Okay, pala natin sa normal gear. Mag normal gear tayo guys. Two wheel drive. Madulas siya. Siguro kahapon. Siguro Simplang ako eh. Oh. Ay, nako. So guys, good luck to me, good luck to you. Peace out. Alright guys, this is the aftermath of the snowstorm this morning. Look at it. It's a big mess. It's a big mess. Hey, you wanna play snow? Yes, sir. Let's go play some snow. Yes, sir. Too soft. Snow? Yes, sir. Oh. Having a Jeep. So until next time guys, see you next on my next vlogs.